Look at this problem. 20 divided by 4 times 4 plus 1 in parentheses. It looks simple, right? But millions of people get it completely wrong. Let's solve it the way most people do. First, we handle the parentheses. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Now we multiply 4 times 5, which gives us 20. And finally, 20 divided by 20 equals 1. Easy, right? Wrong. That answer is not correct because we broke one of the absolute fundamental rules of mathematics, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Here is a secret trap where almost everyone slips up. Multiplication and division have equal priority. You don't do multiplication first just because the letter M comes before D. You perform multiplication and division strictly from left to right, whichever comes first. Let's rewind and do it the right way. Step 1, parentheses first, for plus 1 equals 5. Step 2, now we are left with 20 divided by 4 times 5. Since division and multiplication have equal priority, we work left to right. First up from the left, 20 divided by 4, which equals 5. Step 3, finally, 5 times 5 equals 25. The true answer is 25. Now, think you've got it? Let's test your brain with this one. 2 plus 2 minus 2 times 2 squared. Here's the trap attempt. If we go strictly left to right without thinking, 2 plus 2 equals 4. From minus 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 4 squared equals 16. Wrong again. Let's hit the brakes and apply our rule. Step 1. Exponents come first. 2 squared equals 4. Step 2. Next up is multiplication. 2 times 4 equals 8. Step 3. Now, addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we move left to right. First, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Step 4, finally, 4 minus 8 equals negative 4. The correct answer is negative 4. If this video helped you avoid these common math traps, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick, brain-boosting math tricks.